Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD and GBP USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, for the first time, I'm clubbing Euro USD and GBP USD together because there are not much opportunities on the chart right now. So I thought that I can club them together and make a single video. So let's get started. So first of all, market was volatile as expected after the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. You can see here dollar steady as Fed's Powell says higher rates may be needed. And if you look at the chart of DXY dollar index, and dollar index is showing a clear uptrend market. We can see a beautiful trend reversal on DXY right now, and both fundamentally and technically DXY is bullish. As a result, you need to plan your trades accordingly. You can see that the market is an uptrend. The 50 moving average, the 100 moving average is acting as dynamic support for the market. So on Monday, Tuesday, if you see market shows few red candles also, keep in mind that this market is an uptrend and this will just be a correction, not a trend reversal, because for a trend reversal we need a news that will bring the market down. But right now, both technically and fundamentally, DXY is bullish and market is in uptrend, taking support around the 50 moving average, 100 moving average, or working as dynamic support. So you can, if market shows some downside also, you can expect some support around 103.50, 102. There are many levels here. And in case market shows upside, then we have resistance around 104.80. But considering the trend of the market here, maybe there will be a correction, maybe there will be some temporary price rejection around this area. But if the same sentiment remains, then market will break 104.80 and head higher. So let's wait and watch. Keep in mind, usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday. Okay, the volume is less, volatility is less, so try to avoid breakout and breakdown trades, because for a breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. If there is not much volume in the market, then obviously the breakout will fail. So plan your trades. Now let's look at the chart of euro dollar. So if you look at the chart of euro USD, then yesterday we got a good bounce. We got a good bounce from the support level we have been talking about, 1.0780, 1.07 0800. Because if you look at the chart, one-day chart of euro USD, then we can still see the market is inside an upward channel only, and market is trying to take support around the 200 moving average as well as the trend line. So if you're a swing trader, positional trader, then yes, the trade is still very much valid. Keep your eyes on the trade. If market bounces from here, you can definitely consider a buy position. But the problem is that DXY is showing upside, and if DXY goes up, then obviously there will be pressure on the chart of euro USD, and market is technically standing at support. So there is a contradiction between the technicals and the fundamentals. So let's wait and watch. Usually we always get to see fundamentals winning the battle. Yeah, whenever there is a battle between fundamentals and technicals, fundamentals usually win. In short, there is a possibility that the euro USD may break the support line here and may move down further. Let's wait and watch. During the weekend, if any news comes out, then obviously euro USD will get a boost and you can consider a buy position. So in short, Monday will be very important for euro USD, just to see whether market bounces from here or market breaks the support and starts moving down. If you're a positional trader, swing trader, you can consider a buy position if market bounces. If you see that DXY is no longer, okay, DXY is no longer forming higher highs. If this resistance works, then you can consider a buy position. But be careful, follow strict risk management, because you will be taking a trade against the fundamentals, which is very dangerous, not a good thing to do. Okay. And in case market shows upside, euro USD shows upside on Monday, then you can obviously take a sell position or consider a sell position around 1.0850, 1.0900. Around these two levels you can consider a sell position. And the reason is that On the daily chart, maybe Euro USD is trading inside an upward channel, but if you look at the present trend of the market here, you can see the 50 moving average, 100 moving average is acting as dynamic resistance. Okay, so if market goes up, okay, if market goes up and if you see that there is not much volatility, okay, Euro USD, okay, Euro USD is struggling around this area, okay, you can also consider a sell position as well. Okay, sell on rise, but keep in mind this trading opportunity is not for swing traders or position traders. Day traders, you can look for a sell position. Okay, same chart, okay, same chart, but one thing that you need to understand is that, okay, market exists, okay, on various time frames, and you can trade on various time frames according to your trading requirement. So positional traders, swing traders, okay, as your trades last for a couple of days and weeks, okay, obviously you need to see how the level will work. Okay, but day traders, you have the flexibility, okay, you have the flexibility of trading on both the sides, because you can go for quick entry and exit, you can also go for entry and exit, okay, that may last for a couple of hours. Okay, so you have the flexibility. Okay, so let's wait and watch. My dear friends, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है, and the dates are 6, 7 and 8 for Hindi classes and 11, 12 and 13 for the English classes. Just a reminder that this workshop is not for complete beginners. If you are struggling with the market for months and years, if you're unable to make money, and if you really like my work, then only you should consider joining the workshop. Everything is mentioned on the website. The link is in the description. You can see here the reasons, the benefits of joining the Pro Trader program. Yes, the workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. Don't get confused. Okay. And I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market, and why the price of the workshop is so less, or the lowest in the whole world, why I kept it so low. And you can see here also a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And these are the topics that we'll be discussing during the workshop. These are the weekly topics, okay, that we'll be discussing right after the workshop. Okay, everything is mentioned on the website. Okay, feel free to check them out. The best part is the fees here. You can see for 3 days workshop with 1 month support is only $15, rupees 1000. You'll be receiving regular market analysis, updates, news, trade setups, weekly learning sessions, access to our Telegram community for $15, rupees 1000 only. And if you join now also, you'll be getting free access to everything till the workshop, and right after the workshop you'll be getting additional 1 month support again. And if you're looking for longer relationship personal sessions with me, then obviously you can go with semi-annual and lifetime support, which are also extremely affordable, perhaps the most affordable in the whole world. Okay, everything is mentioned on the website, all the benefits. And right after the payment, okay, you simply need to send a screenshot to this number here. It is a WhatsApp number. You'll be added to our WhatsApp group and Telegram groups immediately. Feel free to check them out. See you in class. And if you look at the chart of GBP USD, then GBP USD closed at 1.2576. Okay, so GBP USD's next good support is around 1.2500. 1.2500 is a good round number, and I believe around 1.2500, 1.2490, GBP USD will receive the required support. If not a complete trend reversal, at least you can expect a good bounce. If you're wondering what is the reason, as I said, 1.2500 is a round number, it's a psychological support, and moreover, we also have FIBO 23.6% retracement level around this area. FIBO 23.6 is not a very strong level, but if we combine with the psychological support, okay, it looks like a good level. So if the market acts like a normal market without the influence of news, you can expect some support around this area as well. And day traders, you can look for a buy position. So if you're holding any buy or sell position on GBP USD, you can be on the trade, no need to exit, because we can clearly see that a little bit of downside is still very much possible. Okay, so if market goes down, observe the market around 1.2500, 1.2490. If market bounces according to expectations, you can definitely hit the buy button. And GBP USD is a volatile pair, so obviously you can expect 40-50 bips On the other hand, my difference, on the other hand, if GBP USD goes up, okay, right after the market opening, if GBP USD goes up, you can observe the market around 1.2650, 1.2655, around this level, the high made by market. So especially during the Asian session and European session, because in the Asian session and European session on Monday we don't get to see much volatility. In that case, if you see that the GBP USD is going up, okay, with small candles, you'll get a confirmation that okay, market is going up, but market doesn't have much volume. In that case, you can look for a reversal around this area, 1.2650, 1.2655. If you right now, I'm in a 4 hours time frame, you simply switch to 15 minutes time frame, and see how the market is reacting. If you see that on 15 minutes time frame, market is showing price rejection from above, market is struggling around the area, you'll get a confirmation that sellers are present and you can hit the sell button. 1.2650, 2655 for day traders only, for scalpers only. Not a very strong level, so volatility will decide whether the level will work or not. And the next level is around 1.2690 to 1.2700. Why? Because here we can see the previous support is standing as resistance here, previous support resistance, and along with that we can also see the moving average, 50 moving average and 100 moving average will also be present around the same area. So if we combine both the factors here, price action plus dynamic resistance, 1.2700, 2690 seems to be a logical resistance if GBP USD shows upside. Again, you need to switch to the lower time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, just to see whether the market is getting the required resistance or not. If you see the market is facing the resistance, market is unable to cross it, market struggling, showing price rejection from above, you can hit the sell button, but with proper risk management. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on GBP USD chart right now, and to be honest, okay, the opportunities on GBP USD charts are much more logical in comparison to Euro USD. So if market goes up, you can look for a sell around this area. If market reverses according to expectation, and on the other hand, right after the market opening, if GBP USD starts going down, you can look for support around 1.2500. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP USD and Euro USD, but be careful with Euro USD. Okay. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. As I always say, capital protection should be our first priority always. So be a trader, not a gambler. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a happy weekend.